Here I have OPPO RX17 Pro, and let me show you how to change the font size on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then go to display and brightness, it's here, and now you will notice font size, just open it. And here you can select the one that you would like to have, so from the smallest, through the middle size, to a very, very large. So once you pick the preferable option, just go back and your menu will be all in the size that you set up. If you'd like to change it or back to the small one, just go one more time to display and brightness and then font size, and here you can easily change it. Let me pick, for example, this one. And as you can see, I'm back to the smaller one. And that's it. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.